MD multipurpose adhesives and coatings cure in seconds upon exposure to LED and/or broad-spectrum UV visible light, and many have secondary heat cure capability for shadow areas. Bondable substrates include a wide variety of plastics, glass, and metals, including UV-inhibited and tinted plastics. Some adhesives are capable of joining difficult-to-bond materials such as COC and COP. The products meet a variety of biocompatibility standards, are ISO 10993 approved, and compatible with gamma, ETO, and E-beam sterilization. They are ideal for a variety of applications such as needle bonding, general plastic assembly, medical potting, in vitro diagnostics, blood transfer devices, winged infusion sets, and more. Dymax adhesives and coatings can replace other joining methods like ultrasonic welding that could leave bond gaps, and solvent bonding that can crack substrates. Dymax light-curable materials are one component, low VOC, have no solvents added, and are RoHS compliant. Besides their environmentally friendly attributes, MD adhesives also feature Dymax cutting-edge technologies that make cure confirmation and quality inspection easy. For post-cure inspection of finished parts, many Dymax light-curable materials contain blue or ultra-red fluorescent capability, making them ideal for high-speed automated vision systems. The fast cure, cutting-edge technologies, and environmentally friendly features of Dymax adhesives and coatings help manufacturers reduce waste, increase throughput, and improve their bottom line. To learn more about our MD light-curable materials for medical device assembly, contact the Dymax Application Engineering Team.